In this video we'll investigate the creation and use of functions. Functions are similar to methods, but their aim is to return a value which can be used like a variable. Set up a world with one character in it which will be the point of interaction with the user. Make sure you set all the title block comments in the main method. Write a method called introduction for the character which will ask the user for two numbers and store them in object level variables associated with your character called num1 and num2. Do not make them method level variables, as we want to use them in another method which will return the value of our function. Create an object function for your character. Click on your character, choose the function tab, and then click the Create New Function button. Call it Find Average, which will return a number. You will notice at the bottom of the function there is a line of code, return 1. This is how the function returns a value to where it was called from, and for now Alice has given it the default value 1. Add two number parameters to the function called first and second. Now this is going to be a simple function that adds the two parameters together and divides them by 2, hence finding their average. Add a comment line to this effect at the top of the code. Now drag the parameter named first over the default value 1 in the return statement. Click on the down arrow next to the parameter first in the return statement and choose Math, Add, then the expression Find Average.Second. This will add the two numbers together. Now click on the down arrow next to the expression you just created and choose Math, and then divide by 2. This function will now return the average of the two numbers sent to it as its parameters. Now create a new method for your character called Report Average. Your character should say something along the lines of, the average of your two numbers was 10. Do this as we've done before by dragging the same method into the code area and giving it some dummy text. Choose the world level function A joined with B and make the A part say the average of your two numbers was, remembering to add a space at the end, and making the B value a dummy value. Now drag the world function what as string over the dummy text value and choose the expression character.findAverage. Now pass your function the two numbers we stored earlier, num1 and num2, as its parameters. Two methods you created into the main method and test your program. It should return the average of the two numbers you enter.